How to add an image in Xamarin using an ebbed resource. First, open up Visual Studio and open up a Xamarin Forms application. Here I have one of the default Xamarin Forms applications with Android, iOS, and UWP enabled. To add an image, go to your shared project. You can add an image directly or put it in a folder that makes sense to you. I'm going to add an Assets folder, and then inside the Assets folder, I'm going to add an Images folder. And then I'm going to add my image. Next, I'm going to go to the Properties window, select Build Action, and then select Ebbed Resource. Now my image is an ebbed resource. We will need a markup extension to access this file, so I'll add a new folder and call it Helpers. And then add a new class called Image Resource Extension. Paste in that class, add a using for Xamarin Forms to use content property to set the source property in our XAML, and then our image resource extension will implement iMarkup extensions, Xamarin Forms.xaml. Then we add a reference to system.reflection to use getTypeInfo to get the assembly info. Now we have an extension that gets the source string that finds this source in our assembly and then returns an image source. Now open any view that you'd like. I'm going to open the About page, and for your content page we will need to add another XML namespace. So XML namespace. Since the extension is in the Helpers folder, I'll call it Helpers. The namespace of the shared assembly is Example Mobile, and then we do a dot to get to the Helpers folder, and then colon our assembly name, which is Example Mobile. Now that we have our assembly, we can add our image. So I'll scroll down and I'll add an image right below the Xamarin logo example image. Let's type image, source. Now we use our helper, helpers, image resource, the assembly name, example mobile, dot the folder name, assets, dot images, dot the name of the file. Since Android restricts us to use lowercase letters, numbers, and underscores, I'm going to remove the space from the file name and the extra number. .png because it is a PNG file. Let's add a height and a width to our image. And now let's run the project. Navigate to the About page. And now you can see the image added to our stack. Switch our project from UWP to Android. Let's run the application. Here's our app running on Android. Let's navigate to the About page. And here is our image on Android. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.